Good day to my future employers. Hope you and your wonderful family is all doing well. By the way, allow me first to introduce myself. I am Mary Cristani Kutiwan. I am 36 years of age, currently living in Polomolok, South Cotabato, Mindanao, Philippines. I am married with two blessed handsome kids, ages 11 and 15 years old. I am a vocational graduate with a course of Healthcare Services, NC2 TESDA accredited at the Holy Trinity College, General Santos City, Philippines. My first work experience abroad is in Saudi Arabia, way back 2016 to 2018, then 2019 to 2022 in the same country. My main duties and responsibilities is to taking care of their kids, securing the safety of their kids if their parents are not at home. I am the one who feeding them, bathing them, tidy up, changing their diapers, preparing and making their meals or snacks, playing indoors and outdoors activities, as well as I am the one who helping them to do their homework activities. Aside from that, I am the one who do the household chores such as cleaning the house, washing their clothes, ironing their clothes, and a car washing. As well as I am the one who prepare, cook, and serving their meals. To my future employer, I am willing to learn more and improve my skills and ability in the field of my expertise. Sir and Madam, hope you have given me a chance to serve with your family as a nanny or a house worker. I am a good person, honest, loyal, trustworthy, and a hardworking person. And I promise to do my job very well. Good day and thank you.